dollar. It's the exact same strategy, just a tad bit different, differently applied. It's actually a lot simpler, a lot less steps, and a lot more straightforward. So the first two steps in that are the same as Nasdaq, which is finding out your daily bias and your direction. That's the same. So we're just gonna be. I started a new month. I took one trade. Before I started this, that's crazy. I took one trade and it tanked my average by like actually 1%, right? So as you can see, this is euro dollar. Last month, killed it. I have a really high win rate on Forex. 70% basically. Took a loss because I read it price wrong, and then took a win just a while ago. So let's see, made 9R previous month. Let's see if we can do it again or even better. Excuse me. So one thing I want to take note of is that we are tapping into this high, which would be an SMT here. So I kind of want to see if we are going to fail to manipulate or if we're going to continue higher. I mean, right now, from a daily perspective, it actually does look like we're going higher, but right now, I'm wondering if we fail to manipulate or we keep going higher. Can't really tell right now, but it looks like we want to continue higher. So then we go to the 4-hour, look at the phase of price. Okay, yeah, it's really clear when you get to the 4-hour that we are clearly trending upwards here. No reason to fade that. But we did just take this high, so we do want to take note of that. But there is another high really close by us. So yeah. So normally on futures I'd mark up my 1800 candle, but as you can see it's a little bit different here. I think our 1700 candle would probably be our 800 candle, 1800 candle here. But I'm not quite sure what the true day starting time is. I think it is the 1800 candle, so I think it would be 1700 candle. I don't really mark it out though. I haven't been doing that for all the other trades, so I don't really think it's necessary. Forex is a lot more straightforward in my opinion. With that being said, what are we gonna so this is the biggest thing. I am looking for, so for example, on futures, I'm usually looking for a 50-minute C2 closure. On Forex, I'm looking for an hourly closure, an hourly C2 closure. So I'm not looking for anything smaller, like a 50-minute. You can, but I don't think it's necessary. I've been operating on the 1 hour and then going to the 5-minute, and that's basically all my wins are based on. This would probably not work as much. It probably could work a couple times in futures. The only thing is that I think the opportunity is just, the trade frequency would be very low, but the trade frequency is actually pretty decent in Forex. So with that being said, we are bullish. We do have 8:15 news. We do have some 9 o'clock news, but I don't know how impactful these are. Can I filter them? I just want high impact. Alright, great. Okay, cool. High impact, cool. So, yeah, we just have high impact. Wait a minute, so red means high impact, so medium... Oh, medium is yellow. I didn't know that. Okay, cool. Yeah, let's just focus on the high impact. So, high impact news at 8:15 and 10 o'clock. So, we'll take note of that for sure. Okay, cool. So we're looking for an hourly closure. We're bullish, so we want an hourly C2 that aligns with our bias. So what I'll do is I'll just go forward a minute to 7 o'clock, and then I will go forward by 30 minutes. So look, we already have a C2 closure here. So technically I could look to see if I can get on side with this. So what I'll do is I'll just mark out the 15-minute of this candle here. But one thing I am kind of skeptical of is that it is a little lethargic, and we do have that high impact news at 8:15, so something to be aware of. But with that being said, I'm going to be seeing if we can get on side with this. So I'm going to be looking for a pullback. So the biggest thing that you need to understand with this is you're looking for a relevant CISD continuation, right? So CISD is a continuous amount of candles that, pull back in roughly to the 50% and then continue upwards. I don't know though, because that 815 we're coming up on that 815, right? So this will actually tell me, oh crap. So we don't, oh shit, see, 815 came, this is what happened. So now we have to back out. Yeah, we have to back out. And then we have to go forward 30 minutes again because, yeah, see, now we don't have a C2 closure anymore. We do have one up here, but I'm bullish. And, I don't really want to fade equal highs here, so I'm just gonna keep going. Okay, here we go. 10 o'clock, open, high, low, close. Open, low, high, close. Yeah. Shit. Ha. What the fuck? What the hell? It gapped up. Oh shit. That changes things. It took the draw. I don't know what to do here now. Because normally I would try and get on side with this C2 closure, but it literally just gapped up into the draw, so I don't know now. I mean, that's crazy actually. This is kind of low probability now, so I mean, I can see if I get something, but I would be kind of hesitant to see. Now we're taking lows. I mean, in a sense though, it is. See, we're rejecting off of this. This is looking bearish, bro. Let's see. Yeah, nah, this is looking quite bearish. I don't... Alright, let's, maybe we get an 11 o'clock type situation. Alright, yeah, so maybe we can play an 11 o'clock model. Why? Because we're rejecting off of this high here, right? So we can probably trade back lower now. Wait, hold on. Let me get rid of that. Let's get rid of that one. Let's get rid of this one. I have so many. Alright, yeah, I think we can play a reversal off of this level and trade. So it looks like the weaker one is pound dollar though. So let's see if we can get on side with this. This would actually already be our CISD, right? So okay, there we go. I'm gonna take this, short this here, stop. Let's do that. Take it to 2R. Or can I take 3R? I don't know. I've been just taking like... Whew. Why the fuck is it doing this? I don't like that it's doing that. Okay, finally. Break even at this low. Bro, what the fuck? It edged me so hard. Break even. Let's see if it gets there. What time is it? It's about 4 o'clock now. Damn. That's crazy. What the fuck, bro? What the fuck? I was gonna put it at the bodies. Thank God I didn't do that. So what I can do is just close this. I mean, it's already like the end of the day. Oh wait, never mind. Hold on. Do I take it? Fuck. I'm just gonna take it off. It probably might get there. but because now we're in like the PM session. Does it get there? No. All right, you know, it's whatever. A win is a win. All right. Had to cut that one short, but we're up 2R already. 71% win rate is what I'm operating at on Forex right now. I like Forex. It's just a lot more straightforward than NASDAQ, and my win rate is just a lot higher. This would actually probably be the best asset to do challenges with. They do have euro dollar on futures. I have to figure out what the symbol is for pound dollar. So maybe I would do my, but then at the same time it's like, okay, well if I'm gonna do my challenge with that, then is there any point in trading NASDAQ if I just operate better on euro dollar and pound dollar? Yeah, I don't know. I do not know. Alright, I really don't like the fact that we are like really far away from this high here, as you can see. We are kind of like this is kind of a rejection candle. I'm gonna see what the phase of price looks like, because I can't really tell here, right? It looks like we want to continue higher, but I can't really tell. I think we are also on we're on a Thursday. Okay, today's a Thursday. So, oh, my nose itches. So this was a Monday trade up. We've just been trading up. And typically if we're going to trade up, we want to respect the 50% of this candle, which we are kind of doing right now. So, I mean, that's good. So what we can do is aim for previous day's high, if we're bullish, that is. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, phases of price still supports bullish price action. Okay, cool. Cool. Let's go to 1 hour. Oh, wow. Yeah, this is a retracement signature, right? This is not a... Ooh, there's a bearish fair value gap right here, though. I don't like that. That could propel us lower if we go into it. Wait, what the fuck? Why are we at 8 o'clock at night? What? What happened? Shit. Hold on. I have it set to 7. Why the fuck are we at 8? Did I click, like, Asia by any chance? Hold on. Yeah, that's probably what happened. Let's go to New York. Oh, fuck. Okay. Reassess, because I didn't realize... Alright, I think we're switching gears, actually. It might actually be heading back down. And I think that's primarily because I saw a little bit of the phase of price. I didn't really get a good look, but that's also very aggressive. Let's look at phase of price now. Yeah. We're disrespecting bullish PD arrays. Yeah, we're in a fair value gap now. But to fade this fair value gap, we first need to trade higher. So, we actually, well, ideally we would want to trade higher than trade lower, but I'm wondering if we're going to trade higher in the morning. So, I mean, ideally we want to be bearish though, right? So I probably don't even need this. I don't think we're not seeing that high. At least not right now. Alright, let's go to the 1 hour. Yeah, this is looking like high-low type situation, right? Yeah, let's see if we can... But I mean, at the same time, we actually do have a C2 closure right here, which is also a PSP. But we just finished... This is 5 o'clock. 6 o'clock didn't really do anything, huh? Never mind. Holy son of a gun. Oh, whoa. I didn't even realize this is a PSP with an SMT at the high. But yeah, it's doing too much right now. No high impact news today. Great. Great. Let's do our 30 minutes. That's crazy. I did not expect... Okay, we do have a model here. And we do have an SMT here. We just don't have a C2 here, though. It's kind of decoupled, right? We could give this a try. Let's see. And we can, like, just outline this, but I don't know, I might not get a trade, but let's just see. Because we went down so much, right, already, I would probably expect us to maybe come back into the range at this point, because we are in a bullish fair value gap. To fade that fair value gap, we have to see, we're in here, we're probably going to respect this, and we just took this low here, right, which is, again, SMT. To fade a fair value gap that you just traded into, you have to trade higher first. You can't just dump through it. I mean, look, we dumped through this one, but that's because this wasn't a very aggressive move, and that can happen. But when you're stalling in a fair value gap, when you're consolidating, you have to fade the high. You can't just, like, go through it. Once you're stalled here, you can't just, like, fall away from a consolidation-ish. Not to, this is kind of a consolidation, right? We can't just fall off the face of Earth. This was not a consolidation. This was like, you see there's only like one body candle here. There's multiple candles here. We have to fade this high. Anyways, I'm talking too much. So, let's see if we get that continuation I was looking for. Yeah. That's exactly what I was looking for. And along this, maybe here. I don't know what to wear, like 2R. I really want to aim for 3. But before I do that, let me just look at something. Yeah, this is like, yeah, I think we can take this. I think we can take this. If it doesn't, if it fails, fuck. Hold on, I just want to see if I adjusted this good. Yeah, just about. Okay, let's see. No! No! Whoa! That is just fucking wicked. I should have put it at the bodies. Then I wouldn't have got manipulated out of this trade, but then I would have had to increase it all the way up here. That's fucked up. So the issue was stop placement. Wow! Oh no! Oh no! That's just fucked. Stop placement. Does it get to 1? Does it get to 1 to 3? No, I don't think so. Nah, it doesn't. 1 to 2. That is crazy. Oh, that pissed me off. Okay, whatever. Stop placement was the issue there. That's crazy. I'm 2 for 2 now. 2 losses, 2 wins. I lost this one because I misread what was happening. And then I lost this one because my stop was, I was trying to see if it would respect equilibrium. It went a little bit lower than equilibrium of that wick. If it was at the wick, I wouldn't have been stopped out, but, it is what it is. Oh, I was up 2R. How the fuck am I only up? I guess because this wasn't a full win? Yeah, it wasn't a full win. God dang it. Oh, it's so annoying. Oh my god. SMT. SMT. C2 closure. It's giving long, which is kind of crazy because I'm pretty sure, unless it's retracing back into the range. Let's see. Oh, what the fuck? Shit. Huh. Alright, so we went up and we made a fair value gap that we're now kind of teeter-tottering between, right? If we want, so, this is looking like we want to go higher. Why do I say that? Well, it really just depends. Because, you know, we got the SMT here. And we do have the C2 closure here back into the range. Not only that, we're like between this, like, this tiny bearish fair value and this bullish fair value gap. This is looking like a retracement. The only thing is that if we want to go higher, we have to actually trade lower first. We have to sweep these relatively equal lows and then trade higher. Any high impact 10. Oh fuck, we have 8:30 news. Okay. Fuck. We have to sweep these lows to trade higher. Let's see what the hourly looks like. Yeah. We have to do that. And then you see how we have another bearish fair value gap here. We have to, if we want to go through this, we definitely have to trade lower first to then get the momentum to go through this. Fuck. We do have a C2 closure here. But like I said, like if you go to the 15, we can't just fade. Nah, yeah, no. We can't just go through it like that. We have to go lower first. I'm gonna do 30-minute. Exactly what I told you. Like, if you understand market logic, bro, you can, like, predict what price is gonna do pretty good. Look, now we have a C2 closure here. My only concern is that 8:30. That's my only concern right now. Because now we're good to go. We can go up. The issue is that 8:30, I don't know what the fuck it's gonna do. But ideally, I'd want to respect this and go higher. I would probably take this on pound dollar though, because it's just better framework, I guess. I don't know. It depends. Let's see. Oh fuck. So I'm looking for a C2 closure back. Oh fuck! What the fuck? Holy fucking shit! Huh. Oh fuck! Whoa! Do you see that? It took previous day's high and low. It's purging everyone on both sides. Holy fuck. Holy, I'm sorry. That is absolutely diabolical. Oh, crap. Excuse me. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. What am I supposed to even do with this? Oh my god. I don't even have, like, any C2 closure to, like, operate off of here. Holy dog. Holy dog. Whoa. That is actually insane. We do have a C2 closure here. I mean, wow. Wow. I wonder if I can, like, get, like, maybe a long from this? Holy crap. I'm telling you, that 8:30 news is no joke, bro. Wait, I think we had 10 o'clock news, too. Holy fuck. But it's 11 now, right? Yeah, so that's also why this happened. Shit. Sheesh. Let's see if we can... Oh, fuck. I don't think we're gonna get anything today. You're probably like, why do you say fuck? Because we have to, like, holy shit. Okay, let's just see. Yeah, nah. Oh? Oh, what the hell? Yeah, this is too chaotic for me. We came back in here, came down. Yeah, no, I'm not engaging with this. I have no fucking clue. It's late in the day anyways. It did end up going up a little bit, but like, yeah, no, it's really late in the day. Alright, let's go back to the daily, reassess. Jesus. We really need to start getting some, like, good wins now, because your girl is not even... wait a minute, what the hell am I looking at? Today's a what? A Friday? Monday. It's a Monday. The decoupledness of this is driving me insane. I actually cannot tell what we're doing here. Not based on candle closures, that is. What the fuck? What the hell is this? What the heck? Looks like we gapped down. We filled the gap. But it's like, we're really close to this low. I would assume we're going lower. We don't have any signatures saying that we're going to reverse. So I'm just going to go on a limb here and say we're going lower on a Monday. Yeah, you know, because this is the most important step. You need to know, like, where you're going. This is the most daunting step for me, actually. After I figure out and I'm confident with what I think price is going to do, then it's actually a lot easier than that, you know? It's easier after that. There is a bearish fair value gap here, so I'm going to see maybe we can tap into the... I don't know. Alright, I think we're going lower. So then I try and see... Oh, wow, we already have a C2 closure here. We already have a C2 closure. Any news? Hell yeah, no news Monday. Sorry, not sorry. I like no new Mondays. We already have a C2 closure. So here's the thing, right? If I was in futures trading Nasdaq, there's no fucking way I'd fade this. No fucking way, because it's relatively equal. But I'm telling you, Forex is just different, man. Like, as soon as you got a C2 closure that aligns with your direction, you can just take that bitch as long as you get, like... As long as you get, like, a continuation confluence, you're Gucci. So let's see if we get that... Fuck. Nah, that dropped way too fast, way too quickly. Go back to 1 hour. Yeah, nah. Nah. That is diabolical. Let's go for 30 minutes, yeah? What? Okay. SMT. No wick. It's 9 o'clock. I think I can trade this lower if I don't like the fact that we... SMT. Why? Because it's a bearish fair value gap. Now that we're in a bearish fair value gap, we have to trade lower. We have to. That's the only way to fade that if we want to go higher. What the hell? But I think we're going lower, you know what I mean? But like, once we're in this, there's the only way to go through that. Like, let's say if we wanted to go higher, which I don't really think is what we're trying to do right now, we have to go low. What the hell? So let's see what we get here. I just don't like the fact that we are above the 50% line. I'd rather be coming back into the 50% line, not be above it. But we did SM. I don't like where we're opening here. Let's see. See, like, this is consolidating. And, I think there's a 2-stage here. Actually, no, never mind. Fuck. Alright. Nothing for us right here. We impacted this low. So, maybe we can get, like, a bounce off, maybe. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. So now we can probably trade this lower. Why? Because we impacted this low. This now becomes a SMT. And it just so happens to be previous day's low as well, right? So we can trade that back into the range. Again, if this was futures, hell fucking no. We would have to trade lower. Probably, right? We don't want to fade equal lows, but this is Forex, and Forex is just a lot more forgiving for some fucking reason. You're probably like, that's not that C2 closure. Well, I mean, it trade back within the range of this candle, so it kind of, you know, it kind of classifies as a C2. You know what I'm saying? Now, if this fails, it's whatever. One thing I will say is that we kind of are like, oh my goodness. Why do I keep touching tools that I don't need? It's actually really annoying. I just don't, again, another thing I'm not liking, I just mentioned this before, I hate the fact that we're below the 50% line. But let's see if we get a C2. But we would need to go up high first, and then, like, yeah, like that. Now give me a pullback. Give me a pullback. Yeah, now take a high again. Yes! Okay, I don't like the fact that we haven't taken it, like, here, but this technically constitute as one. Oh, fuck. I don't like how... Okay, we can take this. Can we take this all the way higher? Can we take it to 3R? Can we take it? Can we do that? Can we do that? Just double checking. C2, somewhat C2. I think we can take it higher. We impacted the low. I think we can do that. I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna look at this on the 1 minute because my nerves just cannot handle this shit. Okay, we're going higher. That's good. Let's go back to the 5 minute. Let's just see. Also, we're going higher here too, so that's good. No. Bro. What the fuck? Why did I do that? Why did that happen? Shit. Fuck. No fucking way. Okay, you know what? Maybe I know where I messed up wrong. It wasn't a true C2. That's probably why. This is a true C2. Would I take this now? I don't know, though, because it's already 12. Okay, well, I learned a lesson. Do not take fake C2s. I mean, albeit it did go up, just not. Am I going to take this trade? Probably not. Alright, don't take fake C2s. Damn it. But, like, the good thing about trading this is that I know more so, like... When? Can I take this, you think? Should have probably took it from here. It looks too good to not take. There's an SMT here. Shit, I might just take this. We just don't really have a flip on this, but there's an SMT here. Tap back into the level. I think I can take this. Fuck. Am I gonna get double stopped out? Fuck! Oh god, that's not... Oh my god, I'm so sorry, guys. That is not my best. That is, oh god, that's kind of embarrassing. Fuck. It's fine. It's fine. We will recoup it. Don't. Oh my god, that was kind of embarrassing. That won't happen again. Let's recoup it. I guess I just get like kind of impatient. These backtesting sessions are like so taxing that I'm just like, bro, just give me the wins so I can like go do other things. I guess I shouldn't have took it. I should first of all that first trade that I took was a fake C2 on the 1 hour. Shouldn't have taken that. And then the second one, it was kind of late in the day, so that's probably another reason why I shouldn't have taken that second trade. That's so unfortunate. Fucking hell. My win rate's probably tanking as we speak. Now it's 58. Like, when you have, like, little to no data, win rate drops so quick as soon as you get, like, a couple losses. Damn, that's 3 losses, bro. And then one of my wins wasn't even a full win. Not my brightest moment. Alright, so... fuck, why? This is one thing I don't like about... I don't know, maybe it's just the current price action. Like, why is this lower and this is higher? I can't get a good read on what price wants to do just from candle closures here. It's very confusing. So I have to go to the 4 hour to see what the fuck is going on. So we tapped into this fair value gap here, right? Which is actually sending us higher. This is an SMT at the lows here. So, I mean, in that regard, we could be going higher from here. I mean, and we're also in a discount here, right? Discount. So, I can see us going higher. No 4 hour change in state of delivery. Plus, we have this 1 o'clock reversal candle as well. It's basically saying we're going to go up. Yeah. I mean, on the 1 hour... it looks promising that could be the case. News. 10 o'clock news. Okay. I want to go higher. I want a C2 candle, so hopefully we'll get something good today. Let's see. Let's just go forward 1 minute. Oh. Wait, what? These are seriously decoupled. What the fuck? What? Well, I already missed this one, but... couldn't have taken it anyways. This is not a true C2 reversal candle. Okay, we might not get anything today because what the hell. Okay, we tapped into this high, or previous day's high, which also happens to be a high. And I think we have news at 10. Alright. Let's see. Nothing. Shit. Okay, here we go. We have a C2 closure here. That high would be SMT'd if we don't end up taking it. So... this high is not SMT, like not a C2 candle, but, you know. Let's see, let's go to the next candle, 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock, and we get 11 o'clock open, high, low. Let's see here. Oh, fuck me. Great. What the fuck? Oh, what the fuck, bro? Shit, when did 8 o'clock make a C2? Aish. This was probably the trade. I missed it. Fuck. Yeah, look at it. This is what was it, 8 o'clock? Down. Right here, once we taken that low, we could have longed it from here, stop maybe at the bodies, and then taken that shit to like probably 3R. Fuck! Damn, bro! I missed the trade. Could have recouped a lot of my profit too, bro. Fuck, next day. That's just a fucking shame. I didn't recognize. I guess because I'm so used to sweeps on futures that not having sweeps is just like weird to me. This looks bullish, and we actually have an SMT. Yeah, so we're definitely going up. That's for sure. Where are we going? That high. This high. This high. Alright, phase of price. Yeah, clearly it's no questions about it. We're going higher. This is the next closer high. We're consolidating now. What do we need to do to leave a consolidation? Go lower if we're going higher. Let's go to the 1 hour. Let's just see what this is. Alright. News. Shit, motherfucker. It's always, oh damn, every fucking day. Let's go forward 1 minute. We do have this reversal candle, but yeah, I'm not gonna do that. Wow, it didn't do much. We don't have a C2 though. Damn it, not again. That's not. And look at that C2 candle. We could have traded that. The only reason I didn't trade it is because fuck. Don't tell me I fucked up again. SMT. Oh man. Did I miss the trade again, bro? Okay, this is all over the place. Fuck. I missed it again. I could have traded this. I didn't realize there was an SMT here. And that means if I traded this, let's see here. C2 would have been as soon as we close below here. Fuck, I might have been wiped out anyways, cause like, what the hell? This would have fucking, cause my stop would have been at least here. Nah, never mind. Maybe I got saved. I would have been wiped the hell out. That's a damn fucking shame. It's probably best that I didn't take that. I'm used to NASDAQ, you know. I have a couple habits from trading NASDAQ. This is a PSP, so yeah, we're going higher, right? Oh shit. That's crazy. Two really good trades that I missed already. So fucking frustrating. Oh, could have been on a fucking winning streak. Shit. Took this high. We're really close to the high. I don't see any reason to fade it. Alright, cool. Wait, why? Wait, am I in London? Huh. Strong rejection candle. We took previous day's high as well. It's not yeah, rejection candle, what? Oh, probably because we took this high. Oops. Could be the reason. Okay. I mean, I'd want to see us go higher still, though. But I mean, I don't have a reversal candle anyways. Like, I want to see us go higher. Can we get like a C2 to the upside, you think? Damn it. Oh, there we go. 8:30 news. The only thing is the 8:30 news, is it gonna like fucking like barrel up against me? We do have SMT here, C2 closure. I wouldn't want to see this like go lower, but it is 8:30 and 8:30 news just be doing some crazy shit. Let's see if we can get like a closure above. Let's look at the hourly again. Yeah, it should match it, yeah. We respect the 50% of that, yeah. So we should be able to just SMT, yeah. Let's see. Whoa. That is just wicked, bro. Got it. Forex is so forgiving. God, I love Forex. When you're doing it right. But damn, why the fuck did it come so close to my stop loss? Holy shit. Bro, what? Oh, crap. I mean, on one side... Wait a minute. You know what? Maybe I did that wrong. Why? Because that's not a true, like... Well, I guess here... But this is a real, like, CISD reversal. Holy fuck, thank God. It didn't take out my stop. This is actually a real CISD. This wasn't a real CISD. This was like a one candle. So actually, I probably messed up. The trade really should have been something like this. I mean, regardless. It fucking worked out. No, let's not be mad at it. No, it wasn't a real CISD though. Pullback. So I have to be careful about that. This was a real CISD pullback. This here. Oh man. So I was able to get to 2R, 2 back to 2R, thank God. But my win rate, ugh, kind of suffering. Let's just do things the correct way. If we do it the correct way, it should probably work out. Man, this method is so overpowered. Oh, I thought I skipped a day. Like, actually skipped a day. This method is so overpowered when you do it right. Today's a Friday. I don't really worry about Fridays as much like I do on futures. I'm telling you, Forex is like, when I tell you Forex is so forgiving compared to futures, it really is. We did just impact this high. And this high. Maybe after I end this Forex session, I'll do a futures session. I'll continue the one that I was doing last time. This will probably come out before the continuation of that session. It's a damn shame that I got these. I got 2 losses and then this one. Like, that actually really bothers me. I need to do better. And the good thing about trading in Forex is that I know what my mistakes are. Like, the mistakes are so obvious. Sometimes in futures it's hard to understand why a trade didn't work out as it was supposed to. But, you know, we both took highs on both assets. So, and it's a Friday. So we could be coming back into the range TGIF. I'll have to see what the phases of price looks like. Let's see here. It's looking quite bullish. So maybe what could happen is we could open up higher and then trade lower. I don't know. Or we're just going to trade higher. But this is looking quite bullish. Phases of price where it looks like we're in expansion into a retracement type situation. Yeah. Any news? Fuck, it's always 8:30. It's always fucking 8:30, guys. Son of a bitch. We do have the C2 closure. Do we just want to go up from here? I wonder. But we probably can't. Why? Because this inverse here. But, you know, it's here, so might as well see if it gives us anything, which I highly doubt it will. But we know worth a try, right? Okay. Oh, shit. Actually, what? No, that's not true. It took the low, but because it's not a complete hourly closure, I can't actually say. Wait, what? Wait, what the hell? A 30-minute? A 30-minute model? It's a 30-minute model. Can I take this, you think? Shit. Took the low. Yeah, I think I can take this. Why not? Do it at the bodies. Take it to 1 to 2. Break even because we took this high, coming up really close to. Yeah, there we go. Hell yeah. Alrighty. Nice. I was actually gonna end it with that one. Pretty nice session. Up 4R in half a month. Fuck yeah. 4R in half a month, bro. Fuck. If I can just get more 1 to 3s more consistently, which I think I can. I think some of the trades do offer that. I can double my R&R. Not really double, but like, you know, make it higher than it is. Like if this was a 1 to 3, I could have got, it would have been 1 to 5. If these are 1 to 3s, I would have been like what, 10R by now? Like you like, oh my gosh, I love Forex. It's so much more simple than futures, plus my win rate's just my win rate is higher. I just operate at better in Forex. And my confidence is pretty, you know, up there. Don't get me wrong, you can't be too confident, but like, yeah, that's just amazing. But yeah, I'm gonna end it here, guys. Forex, same strategy, just, you know, less steps, a lot more simple, a lot more straightforward. And yeah, with that being said, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.